Could the Neanderthals, those resilient Ice Age survivors, have endured one of history's deadliest pandemics, the Justinian Plague? The Justinian Plague, which erupted in 541 AD, was no ordinary outbreak. Striking the Byzantine Empire with terrifying force, it killed tens of millions of people, perhaps half of the known world at the time. Victims suffered grotesque swellings, high fever, and delirium, often dying within days. Trade ships carried it from Egypt into Constantinople, where thousands perished daily, and from there it swept through Africa, the Middle East, and Europe. Historians long suspected it was caused by Yersinia pestis, the same bacterium behind the Black Death centuries later, but only recent DNA analysis confirmed it. This leads us to a haunting thought experiment. If Neanderthals, who lived over 40,000 years earlier, had faced such a plague, what would have happened? Neanderthals were tough, no doubt. They thrived in brutal Ice Age environments, hunting mammoths, enduring harsh winters, and surviving injuries that would have killed many modern humans. Their immune systems were forged in constant battle with parasites, raw diets, and pathogens carried by close contact with wild animals. But strength alone might not have been enough against a microscopic enemy like Y. pestis. The bacterium had a lethal trick. It could survive in the gut of fleas and spread through bites. Once inside the human body, it hijacked the immune system, triggering uncontrolled infections. Modern humans of the 6th century, living in dense cities connected by trade, were devastated by it. Neanderthals, however, lived in small, scattered groups. This lifestyle might have been their only advantage. Sparse populations, slow pandemics. An infected Neanderthal might die quickly, but the disease would have struggled to leap from camp to camp across vast Ice Age landscapes. Yet the danger remained. Genetic studies show Neanderthals and modern humans shared many immune traits, but they also carried vulnerabilities. In fact, some of the genes we inherited from them are double-edged, helping resist some infections but making us more prone to others. If Y. pestis could exploit such weaknesses, Neanderthals might have been as defenseless as the Byzantines, if not more so. The plague of Justinian reshaped the destiny of empires. For Neanderthals, already struggling with climate shifts and competition with modern humans, such a disease could have been catastrophic. It reminds us that survival is not only about strength, but also about chance, biology, and timing. Even the fiercest hunters could be undone by a germ too small to see. So, could Neanderthals have survived the Justinian Plague? Perhaps in isolated groups, yes, but in any clustered population, the outcome may have mirrored Constantinople's grim fate. If this question fascinates you, imagine what other mysteries lie hidden in ancient DNA, waiting to rewrite our view of human history. At Prehistoric Shadows, we dive into these forgotten battles between humans, nature, and the unseen enemies that shaped us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to keep exploring humanity's deepest past with us. Until next time, remember, strength may build civilizations, but it is often the smallest things, viruses, bacteria, chance, that decide their fate.